ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Hello everyone, welcome to K Venkanna classes. So in this video we'll discuss another chapter. Another chapter is the excretion. So excretion is our another chapter. Like how we discussed with all other chapters, here also we'll go with the weightage as well as the important subtopics and the previous year questions from that subtopics. So let me discuss what is excretion is. Excretion is nothing but the removal of waste materials from our body. So as we have seen all the systems like digestive system, we have seen respiratory, like that we have seen, right? This is also another system present in our body to function, to conduct the metabolism, like that. Okay, it helps in the metabolism. Next, in excretion, like if it varies with one organism to like another organism. So it might be some other organ in some other organisms, it might be some other organ in some other organisms. Like in human being, what are the organs responsible for excretion? The kidneys. The kidneys play a major role in the excretion here. So what is a compound that we excrete is the urea. So the human beings are the ureotelic. So the most poisonous one is the ammonia, excretory material. So in excretion will comes for even same weightage we are going to discuss now.
I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K Venkanna classes I teach chemistry. So right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation. But let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
Weightage. So what is the weightage here? You can expect 2 mark from here, 4 mark from here as well as the 8 mark from here. So 2 mark we can't say anything because wherever anywhere they can ask here, and 4 mark also we have the gunshot question here like internal structure of a nephron here, and 8 marks like formation of urine can be asked as the 8 mark answer. So let's see what are subtopics in this excretion. We will have first the excretion definition, excretion introduction, we will have introduction, and different organs in excretion, I mean in different organisms, like in different organisms and different waste materials. Different excretory products. Then coming with the human excretion. In this human excretion, that is the LS of the kidney, we see LS of kidney we have, structure of nephron, and next formation of urine, how it is formed. Next, dialysis. So what does mean by dialysis? Means if you have ever admitted in the hospital, if you have gone to the hospital, they just ask you to do the dialysis test, nothing but the removal of waste from the blood. So if kidneys won't do that work, they put the machine, and so that they'll remove the waste from the blood. So that is the dialysis. Next one, excretion in the plants. Coming to the removal of waste materials from the plants. In this removal of waste materials like exudates, latex in plants. So these are some certain subtopics in excretion here. So this excretion can ask for the 2 mark. Even this various organisms can ask for the 2 mark, as well as the 4 mark also here. Different excretory products is your 2 mark again here. Next 2 mark or the 4 mark. Next human excretion, LS of the kidney, whether they can ask you the diagram or even detailed full structure and function of the kidney, they can ask you. And the important one out of this is the LS of the kidney here, and the structure of nephron. I can't say how important it is, you put as many star. So if any question is there in this lesson, if you just take the structure of a nephron plays a major role here. It's a so important question here. It can be for 4 mark, even 8 mark. And formation of the urine is same 4 mark or as well as the 8 mark. And these are the some certain important questions here. And out of these 3, these 2, last 2, there's a structure of nephron and the formation of urine is so important question, and it is asked from many years onwards. PYQ question. And dialysis also 4 mark or the 2 mark. Excretion in plants can ask for the 2 mark or even the 4 mark question. So these are some certain subtopics in the excretion. You should be ready for any question in this excretion. Be easy to learn and easy to remember also. You don't need to put much effort on this. It's all diagrammatic one, that's all. If you put your heart in this, okay, you can get a good marks in excretion. So that's about the weightage and subtopics.